Have you ever heard someone say, "Put a sock in it"? It sounds pretty funny. Let's find out what this funny idiom actually means. Listen carefully to these examples and try to guess the meaning of "put a sock in it." The movie just started. Put a sock in it so we can hear. He wouldn't stop complaining, so his sister told him to put a sock in it. Hey guys, put a sock in it. I'm trying to concentrate. The teacher finally said, "Put a sock in it, everyone," when the class got too noisy. I know you're excited, but can you please put a sock in it for a minute? What do you think it means? Let's look at a hint. Imagine two people talking non-stop while someone else is trying to work or relax. That person gets frustrated and yells, "Put a sock in it." So, what do you think this idiom means? Put a sock in it is an informal and sometimes slightly rude way to tell someone to be quiet or stop talking. You'll usually hear it between friends, family members, or in movies and TV shows, never in a formal situation. Which sentence uses "put a sock in it" correctly? A. I put a sock in my shoe before going outside. B. Could you put a sock in it? I can't hear the news. C. I put a sock in my bag this morning. The correct answer is B. Could you put a sock in it? Means please be quiet. Here are some other ways to say the same thing. Be quiet, the direct and polite version. Zip it, a short, informal way to say stop talking. Shut your trap, another funny but more impolite version. Pipe down means lower your voice. Now it's your turn. Can you write your own sentence using "put a sock in it"? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning this funny idiom, check out our video playlist and subscribe for more quick and easy English lessons.